couple of closing thoughts. Number one, AI can be a strategic partner. It can be a great tool, but it can't replace you. And there are things that AI is doing that are still kind of questionable, and you need to think very carefully about, do you want to go down that path? Number one, before you go wild with AI, take a moment as you're uploading data and information about your company or your organization. Strip out anything that includes a name, an email, or anything that's identifiable for a specific person. Nobody wants to end up in a creepy case study where they've literally mined your data. Don't ask AI to guess protected attributes like race or religion when studying a population. That's not just bad branding, it's kind of bad ethics. And if you're in a regulated space, health, legal, finance, always run claims by a human expert. Always run your content by a human expert. There are things that AI will say that you just can't say. And in case you're curious, scraping competitor content isn't a growth hack. It can get you sued. So don't just pull information from your competitor. I hate all of this. So as we're wrapping up this course, I want to plant a couple of seeds for you. Number one, AI is not perfect. It makes mistakes. And so you need to treat it like not even a partner, really, but an employee that you have to coach along and that you have to check in on and make sure that their work lines up with what you want to accomplish. Think about it strategically. Work with AI to develop your plans and your outlines, but then go back and ask yourself, does it make sense? Does it fit with my brand? Things to keep in mind with AI. Number one, AI will invent proof. If it doesn't really have an answer, it'll never come back and say, hey, I don't know. Instead, it'll make something up. So always feed real proof so always give AI as much of your real proof as you can and have it rephrase it. Always check any facts or data you get from AI. The second thing, and this is really important in your persona section, personas have a tendency to come out a little bland and generic. So force the model to include a direct customer quote, maybe something it finds on a review site, and a buying trigger that makes that persona feel real. And a buying trigger, the little details that make your persona feel like real people and not cardboard cutouts of a generic customer. Again, remember, you're not looking for generic. You're looking for unique for your brand. Even when you've given AI all the instructions and it's been doing well for you for a while, you may start to see a little bit of drift. It kind of starts moving back to the generic. So routinely remind AI, hey, remember, my voice is warm. Hey, remember, I don't use M dashes. I don't use emojis. Give it those little nudges from your brand guide and your voice guide that you've developed to create that ideal customer focused content that you're looking for. Other things to keep in mind if you want better output, if you want AI to feel less like a know it all and more like a partner, give it content, give it background. The more you provide guidance, goals, and explain what it did wrong, the better the results. Set boundaries. Tell it, you don't get to touch my tagline, my legal copy, or my key phrases. Ask for options. One draft is usually not enough. Ask it for two or three. And I find when I do that, it'll come back and say, this is a warmer version. This is a more business-like version. What are you really going for right now? Play editor, not robot. Use AI for raw material and then polish because your judgment is the single sauce. Save your best prompts if something works. Keep it and convert it even into a custom chat GPT. Your future self will thank you. Roll out your new brand. It's time to relaunch. It's time to relaunch, to show the world who your new brand is. Your choice. Make a big splash or some subtle comments and changes. It's entirely up to you, doing what feels right and makes the most sense for you. But then you can't set it and forget it. You got to check in on your brand. Every 6 months, go back to AI and say, hey, this is where I want to go with my brand. Am I getting closer? Here's where I was kind of off brand. Can you identify things I should do to move closer? Can you identify places where I'm still missing the mark? And that's it. Go forward, have some fun with your branding. If you are done with the course and you still have questions, then I would love to talk to you. Head over to morethanafewwords.com and book an office hour appointment with me. See you next time. And if you're looking for additional updates and information, subscribe to the AI YouTube channel at the top of this page, or simply subscribe to More Than a Few Words, wherever you. And at the end of this, if you're looking for more marketing tips and ideas, be sure to subscribe to More Than a Few Words, wherever you listen to podcasts.